Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make guacamole. Making guacamole is super easy. You will need ripe avocados, lime juice, salt and pepper, diced tomatoes and diced onions, and chopped cilantro. To start, scoop out the ripe avocados into a mixing bowl. Next, slice the shallots and tomatoes, then add them into a bowl. Now squeeze in some fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper and some chopped cilantro. Now mix it all up and your delicious guacamole is ready. To enjoy, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.